Hello everyone, welcome to the MyLivingWorlds Ants channel, and Merry Christmas. I hope you're all well during this Christmas holiday in these trying times. Stay until the end for your chance to win a free starter kit with a mystery colony. Today on the MyLivingWorlds Ants channel, the journey of ant keeping, a Christmas special. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. But first, I asked a few ant YouTubers to join this Christmas special with some of their own personal messages.
Hey guys, it's Ross here. Just want to say 2020 has been a very difficult year. Use the opportunity, if you feel down or depressed, to talk to people, reach out to friends, family, or GPs, and also reach out to people and have a conversation with them about how they're feeling and how they're doing. And also I want to wish you a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. And I promise you 2021 is going to be a very good year for everyone. Take care.
Hello everybody, I'm Ant Oliver, and I just want to say thank you for having me here, Jake, and to all the viewers out there, I just want to say Merry Christmas, and I'm wishing you, all of you, a very happy new ant year, and just in general, let's hope for a safer 2021 than our 2020. Merry Christmas everyone.
Good tidings to you, the nation of ant keepers. I am the colonialist, and this is a very merry Antmas and a colonial new year with My Living World Ants.
Happy holidays and happy ant keeping from another fellow ant YouTuber, Ender Ants. And don't forget to subscribe to My Living Worlds Ants. If you haven't already, do that right now.
I just want to say a big thank you to Ants Are Us, Ants Holifer, Ants and the Colonialist, and Ender Ants for your personal messages. It's important we do more things like this to support each other to help get through this pandemic. Now, onto the journey of ant keeping. Ant keeping is a wonderful and fascinating hobby and can appear strange to most people, but there is something very special about keeping these awesome ants. New and old to the world of ants, it never gets boring. The whole process from queen to egg to worker is just mesmerising to watch, and there really is such a wholesome feeling of watching a single queen produce her first workers. Seeing its colony produce its first elates, and having to move your colony to bigger nests. There are of course points in ant keeping which can be frustrating and upsetting. Like colonies not moving out of mouldy or dried up setups, or even your queen or colony passes away. But you just have to be patient and learn as much as you can, because it is all just experience. And I've had my fair share of losses with my ants, but even when this happens, it isn't the end of that ant. You can always look at your dead ants with a macro lens or even a microscope. You can learn so much about the ant's anatomy and even be able to identify species of ants. It is always important to remember that to be an ant keeper holds the same responsibility as keeping other pets. Ants are living, breathing creatures which require specific care. Research should always be done before keeping any species. I've seen some pretty cool things in ant keeping over the years, and there are still hundreds of species I'm yet to keep. I've seen flying ant swarms so big they produce clouds. I've seen ants perform trophallaxis. There is just something special about watching not just the workers interact with each other, but the dedication and hard work they show within the colony between their brood and queens. One of my favourite parts of keeping ants, more than anything else, is feeding my queens and colonies. They always look so excited when they get their favourite foods, and some ants can be really picky with their food. But after all, they are my tenants. Yeah, sorry, that was a bad joke. I just love feeding my ants all sorts of different foods, and some queens can really look amazing. Here is one of my Myrmica rubra colonies. You can actually see one or two queens which came out to feed. This is my natural setup which I've had for many months now, and this colony is really benefiting from this type of setup. I love experimenting with all sorts of sweet foods and protein. They absolutely loved this cake. Within minutes there were already 30 to 40 workers, and by the morning, nearly half of it was gone. And there were also even a few queens that joined in to feed. Now if you didn't already know, this species is Myrmica rubra, the European fire ant, and it's very common for these queens to come out and forage as well. Also, if you didn't know, when some ant species are feeding, they do something called stridulation. This is when they create tiny vibrations, and you see their bodies going up and down. Sometimes it looks really funny. Here, you can see some of my acorn ants found some honey, and they really loved it. They dug into it straight away. These are one of my favourite ants to look at because of their unique colours and patterns, but they are very small and hard to get close up. Some new ants are on their way, and in the new year you can hope to see lots of new species on the channel. I can't wait to share them with you. Here's my acorn ant colony from the Red Lounge. If you remember one of my really old videos from a few months ago, I was playing around with some blue lighting and thought it looked really cool. Look at how these ants look under this light. I always feed my queens, even if they don't need it, just to give them that little extra bit of help. My Messelbarbarus queen, surprisingly, was fond of toffee sauce. And my Crematogaster scutellaris queen wasn't too interested in the honey, but more with cleaning herself and having a nice drink of water from the cotton. Although I have kept ants for many years, I feel like I learn more each day and discover new amazing things that ants can do. And in some ways, my journey of ant keeping has only just begun. Now, not just have ants always been fascinating to me, but it has encouraged me to keep many other animals and creatures over the years, including my latest addition, my pink-banded flower mantis. He has become one of my favourite desk companions, often watching me as I edit away. I just love how they are so perfectly evolved and very efficient predators. But this journey isn't all about me, as an ant keeper. It's about all of you watching this. Many of you will have gone through these points in ant keeping, and if you haven't, I'm sure you will. This video is also a dedication and a thank you to all of my subscribers, and I'm just blown away with how fast my channel has been growing. Thank you so much for helping me reach 3,000 subscribers. I never thought I'd see this day come. Over the years, my channel has grown, and I feel like it is no longer just my journey in the ant world, but also yours. And some of you have followed me through the years, and I hope many more of you will. Very soon, we'll get on to the giveaway. But first, I'd love if you would like this video and subscribe if you haven't already. But also, comment on what content and species you'd like to see on this channel. It's time for your chance to win in a free giveaway. A completely free starter kit with a mystery species. All you have to do is subscribe and comment below. 1. What got you into ant keeping? And 2. Name one species of ant featured in this video. Delivery will be to UK and EU only. The winner of this giveaway will be announced on the 5th of January, so keep your eyes peeled for the video in the new year, 2021. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and it's your continuous support to my channel which makes me want to create more and more content. If you made it to the end of this video, thank you for watching, and thank you for your continuous support. Don't forget to check out my Instagram page, and also check out the other ant YouTubers from this video. All links will be down below. Happy Antmas and a happy new year. Stay safe, stay alert, and save lives. I hope you've all got your antibodies. Yeah, the jokes will stop now. Happy ant keeping.